Eh? If Masicka sing a song and it sound good, me go come tell you say it sound good. If Alkaline sing a song and it sound good, me go come tell you say it sound good.
A few moments later.
You know, me come out here enough time and say, yo, Masicka song bad. Enough time I come out here come say that. Me come out here and say, yo, Alkaline song bad. Enough time come out here come say that. Me tell the truth. Me tell the truth. And me I try to tell you say, enough Gaza. You know about Gaza.
Gotcha, bitch.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Go on, you don't know bag of thing at all, but you don't know Alkaline of every topic, you know what thing said. You see, but it might reason some good little point and thing. Yeah, so we say, yo, we're making no hear what go on.
But chat, we made that video because we see somebody say, Masicka song, blood. Him exaggerate, blood. I mean, I said to myself, say, Jano Star. I think that you was an honest vlogger like me, you know?
Neko Fire am talking to people. But you don't know Neko Fire no forget under them Gaza man skin, you see it?
The funny part about it, I never did want to touch the topic, you know. But when I see that video, I cringe. You see me? Yeah,
Yo, that was when you see video and cringe. Like you couldn't sleep to bombard, bro. Yo, we say Neko Fire make man them. Yeah, man them can't sleep. Neko Fire can make Gaza man them sleeping at that. Jaro, yo, what them dangerous dog, I tell you.
Cringe so badly, I mean, I say, yo, Jano Star. Let me make the video. So, you see that video, yeah? You see, every artist we can make a video. Sorry, rewind. You see, every artist we can make a song without a visual and it pass 500,000. Big up on yourself.
And you know, say people, I mean, know, say there is an artist, Alkaline. When him drop film audio, you know, yo, it's like people are talk about it, turn it in a video. Me I tell you, cause when them man they always a drop audio and they do video like 5 months after 4 months. You understand? And sometimes it will just drop a video. Or sometimes drop a cover and then drop the video with the song. You understand? But when them man they known for audio. You see it, and then drop video way after. You see it? So that's why them man the music is just different. You see it?
Listen again, you know. Every artist out there that can make a song without a visual and it can pass 500,000 views just by people listening to the song like back in the days. Yes, back in the days. Me not say no black. Back in the days. Yeah.
But remember, you know, it depends on how long. Because remember, say 500,000 pan audio, it can be like in the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. So you have to give it a timestamp for like how long it's supposed to like for reach, or how long if you take for reach 500k as an audio song. You see me, a song can reach all the next 5 years before it reach 500k. Any timing, you see me?
And it passed 500,000 views. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, because it's not many artists can do that, you know. And I say that to say, the same person when say Masicka song, but he is so further from the truth. Masicka song is an okay song.
Yeah, man. To me, yeah, it's an okay song. You know, just a regular song. Them. It's a song where you can listen to, yeah. But I know nothing where, you see me, punchline and all of them look thing there.
When the person exaggerates and I say the song, but, it's a big lie. Big lie. Big lie. Because we can't tell you, say, five genocide fan inbox me and say, dog, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I think the dog did go come harder than this. I think the dog did really go come harder than this. So them say, yo, that song is okay. That song is okay. So when I see the man over there say, I say, yo, that song is but. I was like, come on now, man. You gotta tell the truth.
Brother, yo, one thing you can cap in and no five Crooks fans are link about no song.
You can't have me alone out here. I tell the truth, Virgin. Masicka song is a song where you see if Masicka did do that song there, see? You see if Masicka did that song and never put a visual for that song, That song that would have never passed 500,000.
But I don't know if it passed 500,000 yet. You understand? It not pass. I don't understand. It not pass 500,000. Yes, I know so when Masicka, a lot of time Masicka drop audio, but it not really. Most of Masicka song them him drop visual. Because I remember him signed to a label, so enough of the time the label go drop song with video and all of them look a thing there, you understand? So him not really drop audios like that. I mostly like when him drop him album, him drop a bunch of audios and then after him release a bag of video.
I guarantee you, that song that would never pass 500,000. You see the visual now? People always want to look. And the people look because they want to look in at people's life. Natural Jamaican culture. Yeah. They want to look in to see where the video is like, what they in the video, how him dress. They want to see all of them things. That's natural people. That. You see what I say? And that go boots up the video. If it pass 500,000 views. But if that song did ever do without a visual, that would have never ever passed 500,000 views. I'm telling you, that song is not a bad song. No, it's not. It is definitely not a bad. Come on, man. Tell the truth, man. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Yeah. Remember call him name. Neko Fire. Tell the truth. Neko Fire. I can't hold it.
Yo, Neko Fire. Get a name. My name's Skin in a dog. I tell you, you know, yo, Jano, dog. I troll him, and man, them stress out, you know.
Tell the truth, dog. Just tell the truth. You know, yo, me never did want to jump on the topic, you know. Me never did want to jump on the topic. I'm going to tell somebody, say, yo, you know, me not touch the topic. Now just make it go on and see what it going to do. You see me? And just watch the crowd and see what them are going to say. You see me? I say, but when me see Neko Fire put out that video there and say, the song bad. We tell me lead the ray. Me have to say, no, man, no. I have to do something for counteract that video there. Come on, Neko Fire, man. The song is not bad. Like, really? Seriously? Come on, man. Be honest, no, man. I'm me alone. Yo, I'm me alone at the honest vlogger out here. I'm me alone at the honest vlogger out here, man. No, seriously. I'm me alone I come out here come tell. No, well, I'm not a vlogger. I'm me alone I come out here come tell the honest truth. Jesus, please. I'm me alone I come tell the honest truth, brethren. My God. If Masicka sing a song and it sound good, me go come tell you say it sound good. If Alkaline sing a song and it sound good, me go come tell you say it sound good. You see me? Anybody come and sing a song, me go say it sound proper.
Yeah, man, that's true matter. Is it true matter? Sometimes say some madness. You see me? Yeah, but I think when no emotion drop him crowd out and say, yo, his song tough and him rate the, you know? Yeah.
You see me? If them sing fucker, me come back and tell and say, yo, I fuck with that. You see me? I say, yeah. No matter who you be, Bridget, it no matter who them be, me I come telling you say a fucker, me I come telling you say bad.
But me don't know still when me never see him say cartel song. It's my song them a shag him. Me never see the video yet. Maybe him have, but me never see.
You see me? But when you come and say, yo, that song never Masicka drop, bad. Come on now, Neko Fire, man. Come on now, man. Be honest, man. Be honest and tell the truth. Say, if that song never have a visual, be honest, and if that song didn't have a visual, that song would have never ever passed 500,000 views. I'm telling you. But you see the visual I got carry the song because everybody want to see. Let me see what them are talking about. Ray. You know, you see if it never have a visual now, people would be like, I don't want to hear this. You get what I say?
No, but if this I go play in a party, remember them now go see a video, brother. You understand? Them now go see a video. So yeah, on the internet wise people go watch it on YouTube, but like if it a play some place and somebody a pass, I know them now watching video, I hear it. So if it's just a okay song, it's just gonna be a okay song. You understand? You don't have nothing for really say yo video, yeah. People want to watch it on YouTube and say alright video, but like when it's in an event now, it's different.
Let them stop it. I don't want to hear this because I can't see nothing. You get what I say? But if a song is so entertaining and it can capture the audience, people are going to want to give it an ear. You see me? But that song there, if we grade the song, if I should grade the song, see, I'm just going to be honest. If I should grade the song, I understand the concept and the context of the song. Because like I said, I listen to the context and the concept of music. So I see the direction where I want to go. You see me? So if me grade that song there, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Yeah. I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. 5. wait, reverse back a little. 5.5 to 6 out of 10. My honest opinion, my very much honest opinion. Because like I say, me listen to the context and the concept of where my try for. You know what I say? Yeah, but come on now. This song go bad. Like how Neko Fire. yo, Neko Fire, please, bro. Please be honest, come on. You know, me like what you do when you burn out the man every day with the person. You know, me like that. You know, me like that. But can you be honest right there, so, you know? But nobody gonna tell a lie when it comes down to the music, dog. I think you was an honest. I think you was an honest vlogger in a bridge. You know, I think you was an honest vlogger bridge. You know, me not calling a vlogger. Me not calling but I think you was an honest selector in a bridge. DJ, you know? I think you was an honest selector / DJ. Bridge. Tell the truth, man. Please.
Yo, me not lying at that. Them Gaza man are weak, you know, dog. I tell you, them weak, you know. But can't believe when Neko Fire say. Remember the man say him not go talk about the song, you know, not go talk about it. And when Neko Fire say make the man a contemplate and him can't relax, him have to do the video, bro. It show, yo, the man are weak, bro, man. I tell you. The man say, Gaza, and brother, it no matter where people say, but if you say the song now, Ray, brother, it no matter where next man say that, you see me? Yeah, song bad, yeah. You can talk about it, but judge you.
Start tell the truth online. Please. You know? And the lies them when you tell irritate my brain more time, you know. The lies them, man. Come on now, man. Can you come like say you pick up for one side and you bash the next side? Me not like that, Bridget. Me not like that. No. You know, me come out here enough time and say, yo, Masicka song bad. Enough time I come out here come say that. Me come out here and say, yo, Alkaline song bad. Enough time come out here come say that. Me tell the truth. And me I try to tell you, say, enough Gaza, you know about Gaza. Sure. Enough Alkaline fans them and enough genocide fans them inbox me. Like really inbox me and say, yo, one thing me like with your video them. You tell the truth. And me tell the truth, Bridget. Me always tell the truth. You know, nothing I lose to tell the truth. What more time Neko Fire does make it seem as if I don't know. I don't know if I'm a try for. How would I put it? I don't know if I'm a try for. I don't want to say I'm a trouble Gaza fan. I don't know. I don't know how to say it. You know? I just feel say I'm a try for irritate the Gaza fans them. You know?
My irritate because you get caught up. You understand? You get caught up, you know. You understand? That's the thing, brother. You see it?
And I don't know why Gaza fans them allow Neko Fire to irritate them. Like seriously. I don't know why, no?
But bro, you a Gaza man and you irritate right now because you say, yo, the man make you cringe.
Don't know, just like a bounty killer. I don't know why Gaza fans allow bounty killer to irritate them so much.
Because the man them emotional, brother. Feeling, some of them emotional, and all of them, but most of them emotional, brother. So it's like anything can get under them skin, bro. You see me? Yeah. Some of them operate like a female. So when you say something, you know, when you say something to a female, it's like them you get emotional and start arguing and all of them something there. Yeah, so them man them over. Any little thing you say, them ready for trace. You understand? I saw them operate, bro. You see, because in the day, them man in the care about culture and music, dog. You see me? Yeah.
For them go as far as to tell him about him mother or disrespect him in the comment section. No, bro. One should have never allowed them things to happen. Because you know. But every day above ground is a blessing. But like I said, Masicka new song, me give 5.5 out of 10 or 6 out of 10. It fall in another line there. You see me? Me promise somebody say me don't want to do the video. But that song there. Me just go watch it flow. You see me? But when me see Neko Fire video, I had to do a video about it. When me see Neko Fire sit down in a car and do the video and say, yo, the song bad. And I asked with Tommy Lee and this after the clash and I had to come and do this video. You know what I said? Yeah. Because that's a big lie. If him say the song bad, come on, man.
Yo, people, you know, I can't believe it. You guys, man, make Neko Fire say getting them feelings to write it. Tell you, bro. Channel, bro. Enough a man up. You understand? The feelings thing, yeah, bro. Like, bro, Neko Fire, just one man in a bro. How you make when Neko Fire say, get it now, you sing what you have to keep on. I said over and over. Him can't believe him say that. Can't believe him say. January you open. Dangerous in the dog. May I tell you. Whereas Masicka not really an artist and January dog. I tell you, brother. So whatever a man say, look how much people say all the song is a okay song and them like a thing there. I don't know. I guess that's why Neko Fire does a use and a ride the wave. You see me? Just forward out and say something about Unar. Anybody who not war with him, just give them some credit. All if it not real and just make you get in on the feelings, you see it?
Come on, man. Come on, man. Tell the truth, no man, Neko, man. But every day above ground.
Yeah, man, people, so them man stay. I tell you, but people, who don't know a thing set, you know. At the end of the day, you know, bro, I saw a thing go. You see me? Masicka, my damn thing. You don't know. If a man can do something with him, all he can do, you have to just allow him to just go and do it, you see it? Yeah. He just put out him music. You know, I just that. I think the hype thing kind of done. But them always I say, I be a bag of hits, him I get. But you don't know. Yeah, that song, yeah, it's a okay song. You can go on, you can listen to it and them look a thing there. Is it? Yeah, I just want a Masicka regular song them. Yeah, that's one of them thing there, people. Is it? But when I don't know anything, set I want media fox pan up, is it? Yeah, man. That is it.